All right, here's a super speedy bunny rabbit for Easter time. I'm using a big white our bolt brush loaded in white paint, and then we'll put some cute ears, whoop, whoop, and some cute ear on this side, whoop, whoop, and then over here a little fluff, and a little fluff, and then a little mustache fluff for the bunny, and little white teeth right there. All right, once you've got the bunny colors on white, you can add a little pink nose and a little pink on the cheeks. I'm just going to blend that in, and a little pink in the ears. And then I'm going to grab a brush that's loaded with 3 colors and add some petal sponge or petal brush flowers. And a little flower right here on the cute little bunny. And then I just need to do some black line work for the teeth, the muzzle, a little line between the nose and the lip, and some whiskers. And I'm just going to outline the edges of those teeth. And if you have time, then you can just add a little loop inside each of the ears and some quick bunny shag. And one more whisker. I'm missing a whisker, Mrs. Whisker. And a couple little dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a super, super speedy bunny. The more time you have, the cuter it can look. But that's all you need for right now.